We're ready to work the exercise for this chapter, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a form letter that we can send to people who give us presents for, say, our birthday. So we're going to begin by creating some variables, including the name of the person who gives us the gift, present for the gift that they give us, your name for the person writing the letter, and then int age for the age of the person who's going to have a birthday. So we'll begin by prompting the user to enter the data for these variables. So we'll say, what is the name of the gift giver? That's the first prompt. And then we'll say name is equal to console read line. We'll prompt the user to enter the gift they got. And then another console read line. Then we'll prompt the user to enter their age on the birthday. And here we have to convert to int32 after we get from the console. And then finally we'll prompt them to enter their name. Your name equals console read line. Now we're ready to generate the letter. So the first thing we'll do is we'll write a blank line, put some space between our input and the output. Then we'll start out by writing dear, and then we'll use a placeholder here, comma, name. So dear whoever sent us the present, and then a blank line. Thank you for the, and then we'll use a placeholder for the present, like so. And then we'll start a new line. And we'll continue on. I can't believe, and then console write. We don't need a space here. I can't believe I'm already, and here we use concatenation, age, years old, comma, but, right line. It doesn't feel that much different than a space, being, and then we'll use concatenation again. Age -1, and then a period. And we'll end the letter there, so we'll do console right line parentheses, console right line sincerely, and then a console right line for a space, your name. And there's our read key, so now we're ready to see if it works. We'll say it's Aunt Jean that gave us the gift. She gave us a sweater. We were 13, and our name is Bobby. Dear Aunt Jean, thank you for the sweater. I really like it. I can't believe I'm already 13 years old, but it doesn't feel that much different than being 12. Sincerely, Bobby. That exercise uses the skills we learned in working with input and output to both get input from the user, converting those numeric inputs that we need to convert from string to a numeric data type, and then using console write and console write line, along with placeholders, to display the output. So that wraps up this chapter, and now we're ready to move on to the next chapter where we talk about decision making, and we'll begin with the first lesson on relational operators.